Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2006 Ford Expedition and I will show you how to remove and replace the front driver's seat. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Expeditions made from 2003 all the way up to 2006. Okay, so as you can see, the seat on this Ford Expedition, it's not in the best shape. I got the replacement one from a car salvage, which is almost like brand new, for $150. And now I will show you how to remove the old seat. So the seat will be held by two screws in the front and two in the back. So you'll have a Torx T60 screw right here and one just here on the opposite side. So what you want to do, first you want to remove these two screws. Okay, so this is the tool, the socket you will need. It's a Torx T55. Once both of the front screws are out, you want to move the seat all the way to the forward so you get more access to work in the back and remove two screws holding the driver's seat. Okay, and now the back two screws. One on the left side, one on the right side. So you want to remove those as well. If you have a hard time removing those, always use a bit of WD-40 because that's gonna loosen it up and you should be able to turn it. Okay, once you remove those screws in the back, there is absolutely nothing else holding this seat in place. It's gonna be completely loose. So what you want to do, you want to tilt it all the way back so you can disconnect the wiring underneath it. Before disconnecting all these wires under the seat, it's a good idea to disconnect the battery negative terminal because you'll have to disconnect the airbag here so you don't get airbag light when you install the new seat. Okay, now to disconnect the wiring, first this big connector, just want to flip this gray piece over to the other side and then push onto this tab here and pull it out. I'll have to use both of my hands to do it, but this is the idea. Okay, so this black connector, same thing, there is this clip right here which you want to press and then leave this and flip it to the other side. And then just disconnect it. And the last thing, this yellow connector. Now there is like a slide clip here on the top. You want to slide it down and just pull it off. And that's pretty much everything. Now you can pull the complete seat out. It's going to be the easiest for you just to pull the seat out through the driver door. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.